What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
So?
I think this is the castle, but that thing over there looks more like a castle. The small thing. We should go to both.
Okay. How is it?
It's delicious. And this church behind, oh, you can't even see it, it's behind a giant bush. Wow, it's a huge bush. That's a lot of bush. Nothing to do with it. I'm gonna see what this is all about. It's got a plaque on it. It says John Cohen's house. Stirling's wealthiest 17th century merchant owned this house. He was shipowner, wine merchant, and banker, and dean of the Merchant Guild and Stirling's commissioner to the Scots Parliament. See Wallace's monument way over there? We climbed all the way up to that. And now we're going up a different hill in the other direction. My legs are pretty happy. Yeah, let's go to the castle.
Okay.
We're pretty close.
Yeah.
There's a unicorn on top. It's pretty cool. Look at all these little alleyways too. Just off the main. There are tons of those in Edinburgh as well. I think the theme of today is climbing. A lot of climbing. There's the castle. And a ton of cars.
What up, Stirling Castle?
Little Wallace's monument out there on the hill. Must be lonely.
Right.
Very much looks like the cemetery in Harry Potter, doesn't it?
A little brighter.
This ruin is really neat. Wow, that's beautiful. It's neat that you can go up on this ruin. It doesn't seem right, really. Do you think down there is like an old fireplace or something? Wow, you can go all the way along. thing says keep smiling up there. Play the game. The boys club. Isn't that cute? That's awesome. Yeah. Play the game. This building tells me that quarreling is taboo. I agree, building. I do.
What up, innocent gun?
What up, punk? IPA. Punk. Cheers, Tempest Mocha Porter. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
What up, Tempest Brewing Long White Cloud Extra Pale Ale? Delicious.
Okay, is that good?
What a profanity stout. Profanity stout.
What up, Moment Milk Stout?
Can't say that word, eh?